way to begin.
Right now, I want to welcome one of the main sponsor of the historic Morganton Festival. We could not do this without Carolina's Healthcare System Blue Ridge. Ladies and gentlemen, Kathy Bailey.
Hello, Morganton. All right, are we ready to get this thing started? Yeah! Okay, Carolina's Healthcare System Blue Ridge is proud to sponsor this. We are your healthcare provider of choice, and we're here if you need us. But for this weekend, stay safe, have fun, and who wants a t-shirt?